Ideally, you want to be just like Amazon and give customers their product the next day, but it is impossible to do with dropshipping, and that's exactly why I want to address the issue of what is the ideal shipping time for AliExpress dropshipping, and this is the answer.
So you talk about like a shipping time. What's the appropriate shipping time? Because I know there's some shippers out there that has your perfect product that you want, and their shipping time is like 2 months down the line or 3 months down the line. What's the perfect one that, as a buyer, if you're looking at it, what do you expect to be shipped?
So as a buyer, I'd like an item in 2 days if possible, but with dropshipping, it's going to take few weeks. Now, people are willing to wait that time if the product is good and if you have a good customer service, and that's sort of why I give you guys my customer service template on how I go ahead and deal with customers. Now I go ahead and let them know about the long shipping times. So you want to focus on finding a winning product. Long shipping times is okay during the testing phase because you're only dealing with 1 or 2 orders for each one of your products, and those customers is just 1 or 2 customers and you could refund them if they're not happy. But when you scale, that's when you want to go ahead and worry about shipping times and get it faster, talk to other suppliers and negotiate faster shipping times. But before you have a winning product, that's the last thing you want to worry about. As you can see, straight to the point, no BS. Like, yes, drop shipping times are long, but that's why you want to have strong customer service, and that's why you want to go ahead and really assure your customers with tracking numbers. Make sure you're working with the right suppliers, working with agents, and there's tons of other strategies to get the shipping time as low as 1 or 2 weeks, even with the drop shipping model. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Very quick and straight to the point, no BS whatsoever. Question of the day: how fast is your shipping time for your customers? Let me know. Other than that, let's go ahead and announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting course with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below, follow my Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Other than that, I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with nothing but more value. Peace.